When you hear the word AI, what comes to mind? A super intelligent robot, machines taking over the world, or something that thinks exactly like a human? For years, movies and media have shaped how we see AI. They show us machines that feel emotions, make decisions, and behave just like people. So naturally, we start to believe that real AI works the same way. But in reality, AI isn't like that at all. It's far less dramatic and much simpler than most people imagine. And this leads to one of the biggest misunderstandings. People believe AI actually thinks and understands like we do. The truth is, AI doesn't think. It doesn't understand meaning. What it really does is recognize patterns. AI systems are trained using massive amounts of data, millions or even billions of examples from text, images, videos, and more. By studying all this data, AI learns relationships, what usually comes next, what matches what, and what patterns repeat. Think of it like your phone's autocomplete feature. You type a few words, and it suggests the next one. Now imagine that, but on a much larger and more powerful scale. So when you type something like, "I am going to the," AI simply predicts the most likely word that follows. Not because it knows where you're going, but because it has seen similar sentences many times before. And because it has learned from so much human language, it can respond in a way that sounds natural, clear, and intelligent. But what you're hearing is an illusion of intelligence, not real understanding. AI doesn't feel anything. It doesn't get excited, confused, or curious about your question. There's no awareness behind it, no thoughts forming in the background, just input, processing, and output. One major reason people get confused is because we naturally humanize technology. We give it human traits, we talk to it like it's a person, and over time, it starts to feel real. But it's important to remember, AI is not human, and it never was. Yet even without thinking or understanding, AI is still incredibly powerful. It helps doctors detect diseases earlier, recommends videos and products you might like, and even assists in driving cars. And it does all of this simply by recognizing patterns faster and more efficiently than humans ever could. So the real danger isn't AI itself. It's people trusting it too much without understanding it. If you assume it's always correct, you might rely on it in the wrong situations, and that can lead to serious mistakes. But when you understand how AI actually works, you gain control, and you use it more effectively. So remember this simple truth. AI is not a thinking machine. It's not conscious. It's not aware. It's a tool built on patterns and data, and the better you understand that, the more powerful it becomes in your hands. Now you understand something that most people still get completely wrong. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Analytics Campus and turn on notifications so you never miss content that builds your data and AI skills.